Hi, welcome back to PSDESIRE. If you want to add some extra shine and glow to your skin in your photos, you can usually do that using Photoshop. And here is how you can do it. First, open your image in Photoshop and create a new layer above the background layer. You can do this by clicking on the new layer button at the bottom of the layers panel. Next, set the layer blending mode to hard light. You can find the blend mode option at the top of the layers panel. Then take brush tool, choose a soft edge brush. You can adjust the brush size and hardness from the brush settings. Now paint over the skin areas where you want to add shine. It looks ugly when we're painting on the skin, but don't worry, we will fade it with the highlights in the next step. After you have painted over the skin, double click on the layer to bring up the layer style dialog box. In the blend if section, drag the slider of the underlying layer until only the highlights show. If you want to further adjust the effect, hold down the Alt or Option key and split the slider to fade it more gradually. Click OK once you are satisfied with the effect. If you notice any unwanted areas that has been affected by the shine, use the eraser tool to remove the effect. To add even more shine and highlight to certain areas, create another new layer and set it to hard light like before. Now take brush, paint over the eyes, nose, lips and any other reflective areas with the soft edge brush. Paint like this on hair, eyes and lips. Now double click the layer again and adjust the slider as before. These two layers are non-destructive, so you can open it anytime and adjust the fade to your preference. That's it. You should now have added some extra shine and glow to your skin in your photos. You can see the before and after images. Thank you so much for watching this small tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and learned something new. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like and consider sharing with your friends or on social media. Please consider subscribing to my channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future tutorials or updates. Thanks again for tuning in and I will see you in the next video. Take care.